found out about the fire, my son called me up and said, "Oh, did you see the fire near you?" And I'm like, "No." He said, "Look out the window." Didn't think too much of it. We have fires time to time out here.
I did not believe it was going to come down this far off of the mountain to do what it did.
And then about 2:33, the police started circling around my son's house where I had gone to, and they said, "Evacuate. Everyone must evacuate." And so I was saying, well, if they're evacuating over there, I know they're evacuating at our house. All we could see is red embers flying around, and I was trying to call him to, tell him, "Come on, leave, let's leave." He didn't answer his phone, and so I said, "I'm going to get him if I have to just push him into the car." And then at that point, we all start crying and everything like that. And what were you doing?
I was finishing up water. I wasn't ready.
He didn't realize that the house right next to us was on fire. The bushes was on fire. And at that point, I said, "Oh, my house is going to go. I just know it."
About 5 a.m., my neighbor that was still here, his house was still standing. He called and says, "Well, you lost your garage." And he said, "You lost the motorhome." And in the last call, he said, "They got your house."
Everything was in there, just memories. And just thinking about it just kind of gets me sad again. However, there's still some days, you feel it. The Army Corps and everyone coming in to help, and even businesses offering water and food, so that was really helpful for the community. That just shows that there's still life in this community. We can smile and say, we're back.
If you look around and see the things that are still blooming and growing, there will be a better day. You just have to believe.